After enriching your products, you will need to sync them to Google Merchant Center. And I have two good news for you. First, you will have to import an XML file only one time, and then we will do the sync automatically. That means if you are enriching products tomorrow, you won't have to re-import the XML file. The second good news is that this XML file will be imported as a supplemental feed. That means we don't touch anything on your primary feed. So if you stop using Clarmix tomorrow, you will not lose anything. All right, so let's move on. Upon clicking this button, you will need to copy the XML file right here. Next, head to Google Merchant Center and you want to find the product list right here. Here you need to find the button Manage Product Sources, this one. If you can't find it for any reason, just head to this URL directly. Here you should be having primary feed and supplemental feed. If you don't see it, that means you need to activate it. Just follow these steps. Go to Add-ons and simply click Advanced Data Source Management. Add it and then you're done. Then simply go back to Products, click again Manage Product Sources, and here you will see primary sources and supplemental sources. This is the one we want to import the XML file into. Then simply click on Add Supplemental Product Data and copy-paste the link of the XML file given by Clarmix. Once done, you can click Continue, and here Google Merchant Center will pre-fill the information for you. So the feed label is this one, the language is French in my case, and the primary data source is my primary feed. Most people only have one, but if you have several, make sure to connect the main primary feed. You can then click the button Create Data Source, and then I recommend you to rename the source in order to properly organize your GMC account. That's it. Oh, and last detail, here I can see 25 products because I have enriched 25 products. But tomorrow, if I go back to Clarmix and I enrich another batch of products, I will not have to come back to Google Merchant Center. The update will be done automatically and you will see the product scores change automatically. If for some reason the update is not made, the product scores will not change. You will still see the current product name and the enriched one, and you will see this little warning icon here. So do not worry, you won't miss it. And if you have any questions, we're always available on the chat right here. I hope this was helpful. Bye bye.